What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be seeing how good Face Unlock is on the LG Q7 Plus from Metro PCS. Stay tuned. Alright, so as you guys know, we have a fingerprint sensor on the LG Q7 Plus that is actually pretty decent, but I've had some people asking me, how is the face unlock on this device? So we're actually going to go ahead and try that out right now. So where you want to go to do this is actually settings. So go to settings, then click on general, and then you're going to go to the lock screen and security tab. Once you're here, you're going to want to go ahead and go to the face recognition under biometrics. Click on that, and it's going to give you some stuff right here. It's going to say, note the face recognition is a secondary unlock method that results in your phone being less secure. A similar face can unlock your phone. So if you have an evil twin, definitely don't let them near your phone. It also says the data used to recognize your face is kept private on your phone and only your phone. It says to save power, the face recognition will not be working below battery level of 5%. So you guys can't use this on 5%, but let's go ahead and register face unlock. Alright guys, so we have some stuff right here. It says find a place indoors that is not too bright or too dim and hold your phone at eye level. So we're gonna go ahead and do this really quick. Alright guys, so we're gonna test this out really quick. I actually have my glasses on right now, and with a ton of other devices that have this feature on it, whenever I take off my glasses, it does not work. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So I have my glasses on right now. Works perfectly. Let's try it again. Dang, that's really fast. Let's go ahead and try that again. Another thing, let's go ahead and try it in low light. So we're turning off the lights. Turn off the phone. Wow, unlocks with the lights off. That's dope. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice. So it actually unlocks with the light off. Now another thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is actually take off my glasses. So we have my glasses off right here, and we're gonna turn off the phone. Now on the LG Aristo 2, when I took off my glasses, it did not register when I did the face unlock feature. So let's go ahead and try this on the Q7 Plus. Okay, so it actually works, guys. So it actually recognized my face. Let's try it one more time for good luck. Awesome. The thing that I noticed is it is a little slower because it has to get used to your face. If you guys do use glasses, definitely use your glasses while you're trying to use face unlock because it is much faster. But as you guys see, if I have my glasses off, it's going to take a little bit longer. So let me put my glasses back on. Boom, it's already open. So there you guys go. But yeah, if you guys haven't tried out this feature, definitely check it out. It's a really cool feature on this device. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.